All right, guys, welcome again. I am Precious Osamundi Amen, and in this video, I want to quickly show you how you can start making money designing a highlight cover. You might be wondering what is highlight cover. I will just show you on the screen right now. What we have here right here is a highlight cover, right? But if you look closely, you find out that it actually made the page look more beautiful and attractive, right? But there are a lot of people on Instagram that don't have highlight cover on their page. So what you want to do is that you want to design this highlight cover for them and charge them a fee for it. All right. If you're in Nigeria, you can be charging 10 to 20,000 naira, let's say 5k to 20,000 naira per design for highlight cover design, right? If you look closely, they have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 highlight cover. You can charge 10,000 to 15,000 for these services. All right. Guess what? You don't need to be a graphic designer. You don't need to be a creator to be able to design a highlight cover. I'm going to show you a brief how you can design this highlight cover, right? But first of all, how do you get clients? How do you get people you design these services for, render these services for, right? You see, have to come to your Instagram, right? What you need to do, just do a quick search, look for people that have Instagram accounts, like a business owner that have Instagram account, but they don't have highlights cover. So what you want to do is reach out to those people, right? Say hi, good day, how you doing today? I come across your Instagram, you are doing pretty well, right? I noticed you do not have highlights cover on your Instagram, and actually highlights cover make your account look so beautiful and attractive. So I would like to will you be interested? I would like to design an highlight cover for you. See, so that's just like a script coming out of my head. You can do better, right? So what you want to do then, before you send them those message, what you want to do is to come to your Instagram, right? You need to do a quick search. So you are here, and I can do a quick search on online store. When you do a search on online store, a lot of people, a lot of accounts will appear, right? What you want to do is to be opening these accounts one after the other. Okay, open this account one after the other, one after the other. You get? So once you open the account one after the other, they go through it like this. For example, just found one. You can go ahead and search for this person and send the person a message, right? So just found one. Obviously, this does not, he or she does not have a light cover. He has a post. I think he said a very beautiful shoes, right? So what you want to do now is just to click on this message box, right? You can do that on your smartphone. Send the person a message. Hello. I won't be sending the person message now. But if in your case you send the person's message, hello, I come across, I don't want to do that because this video will be too long, right? I'm trying to make this video short as possible. So just send the person the message. Basically, that's all. You get? That's all you need to do. When you send the person's message, then the person reply, oh, of course, I am interested. So what you want to do now is that how do you design the services? We head over to Canva. Canva is actually a website that allows you to design graphics actually for free, right? You set up your account, you create your free account. So once you have done, you come here and click on create design. So once you are here, click on highlights cover. Search for highlights cover. You search for highlights cover. Okay, yeah, it is highlights cover, Instagram story highlights cover. So when you click on it, it will show you it will display a lot of templates for you that you can pick from. All right. So for example, see, there has a lot of templates you can pick from. Like for example, this one, you see, these are templates you can just edit and send back to the person that you are done. Click on apply all the 30 pieces. For example, you're designing 30 highlights about us, BTC, blog, anything. You can change it to products. You get? So once you are done with this thing, you now download, right? Click on share and you click on download and send to your customer. Tara, you are on your way to making money. So obviously, I want to show you how much people are making from this thing. So you can head over to Fiverr. What is Fiverr? Fiverr like a marketplace where people buy services, where people render services and business owners buy services from them. Let's search for highlights cover. Highlights cover now. All right. So you see people are charging $20, $20, $5, $5, $10, $20, $15, $10, and $50 just to design highlight cover. right? This is charging 1,180 180 $1,800 for highlight cover and some other content attached to it, right? So this is basically what you can do and how this is basically what you can do. And I just showed you how you can start making this money fast without doing any hard work, right? Without you doing any hard work. Guess what, guys? This notes, please note. This is a numbers game, right? You have to send many people message, and of course, most time they will not reply. Most time they will not see their message. Most time they will not reply. But you have to keep sending them message. You have to keep sending them message. You understand? Keep sending message. Keep research every day. Every day. Be having like 10 messages. Sending 10 message to people. 10 message to different people. As in 10 people every day. You understand? So you start cashing out. So all right, guys, this is it for this video. If you actually enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. All right, if you find any difficult, if you have any challenge, don't forget to drop your questions below. All right, I will respond to that as soon as possible. All right, guys, thank you so much.